Hey gang, welcome back to Opa's Diecast Restoration. Before we get started today, I'd like to remind you, if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button. Today we're doing another Tootsie toy. This is the Jaguar D-Type. Start by getting the tires and the axles off of it. I know a lot of people don't like the Tootsie Toy restorations because they're too simple for them, but others do, and I enjoy doing them. Get this bad boy into the stripper. Get some base coat on it because I'm going to spectra flame it. Or my version of the spectra flame anyway. So I'm using the diamond coat, base coat on it with all the brilliant sparkles in it. Wash the wheels. You hear whining in the background. That would be my little buddy Mozart. I guess I wasn't spending enough free time with him. Get some tire wash on these wheels. No matter how much you use the brass brush on them, you can never get all that rust coloring off of them. So the tire wash comes in really handy for that, bringing them back to life. Clean up the axles, get them ready for the rust prevention stage. Little sandpaper, little steel wool, they're as good as new. Out of all of them, the Tootsie Toys always have the most rusty axle. them up red hot, dip them in the arl with the nice rust preventative coat on the metal. Here's what we started with, a purple Tootsie toy, Jaguar D-type. Play worn, all the high spots, paint's off of it, chipped up. Here's what we ended up with. More of a violet than totally purple, but all that diamond dust coating underneath is really shining through. Details put in. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. I'd greatly appreciate it. For now, this is Opaw, the Tootsie Toy King, driving off into the sunset and saying goodbye.